In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could change your name here in Fortnite on your Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S or even your Xbox One. Quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, an Xbox your Fortnite name is tied to your Xbox gamertag, so if you want to change it in Fortnite, you're going to have to change it as a system level. To do this, essentially, go to the Xbox home screen, go to your profile icon, select it, and then choose My Profile. And once you're on your profile page, select Customize Profile. From here, select your current gamertag, and you'll see the option to change it. Enter in the new name you want. Just keep in mind your first gamertag change may be free, but after that, Microsoft may charge a fee. Once you confirm the change, your new gamertag will automatically reflect in Fortnite on Xbox, and this is going to be separate from your Xbox game's display name. If you want to change that, open up a web browser of your choice and search for epicgames.com. From here, go ahead and select your profile picture, just like so. Sign into your account, and you're going to want to sign in with your Xbox account. From here, go down to account, and then from here, go ahead and go to this little settings tab up at the very top. Select this little pencil icon next to your name, and then enter in your new display name, just like so. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.